Coal is a rock. It is black and hard, but unlike most rocks, coal can burn. This makes it a valuable resource. For hundreds of years, people have used coal as a source of energy. It powers our homes and industries. It helps make steel and cement. Coal is found all over the world. It is buried deep underground. Getting to it requires mining. Coal mining is a difficult and dangerous job. Despite its importance, coal has a downside. Burning coal releases pollutants into the air. These pollutants can harm our health and the environment. This has led to a search for cleaner energy sources. Understanding coal means understanding where it comes from, how we use it, and the impact it has on our world. Coal formed millions of years ago. It all started with plants that thrived in ancient times. Swamps and forests were once home to massive amounts of vegetation, creating lush green landscapes. When these plants died, they fell into the swampy water, beginning a long transformation process. Underwater, the dead plants did not rot away completely. Instead, they began to accumulate. Instead, they formed a layer of peat, a precursor to coal. Over time, layers of sediment piled on top of the peat, burying it deeper and deeper. The weight of these layers created heat and pressure, essential for coal formation. This process slowly transformed the peat into coal, a process that took millions of years. Different types of coal exist, each with unique characteristics. The type of coal depends on how much heat and pressure it experienced during its formation. Lignite is the youngest type of coal, often referred to as brown coal. It is soft and brown with a lower carbon content. Bituminous coal is harder and blacker, with a higher carbon content. Anthracite is the oldest type of coal, known for its high carbon content. It is hard, black, and shiny, making it the most efficient type of coal. The process of coal formation is slow, taking millions of years to complete. It reminds us that the Earth's resources are not unlimited and must be used wisely. Coal plays a vital role in our world, serving as a cornerstone of modern civilization. Its primary use is for electricity generation, powering homes, businesses, and industries. Power plants burn coal to heat water, producing steam that drives turbines. The steam turns turbines, which generate electricity, lighting up cities and fueling economies. Beyond electricity, coal is also essential for various industries. Steel production, for instance, relies heavily on coal as a key ingredient. It is used in the process that transforms iron ore into steel, a fundamental material for construction and manufacturing. Cement manufacturing is another industry that depends on coal for its high-temperature kilns. The intense heat from burning coal helps create the cement powder used in building infrastructure. In some parts of the world, coal provides heat for homes, especially in rural areas. People burn coal in stoves and furnaces to stay warm during the winter months. This practice is less common in developed countries, but still exists in certain regions where other heating options are limited. The widespread use of coal highlights its importance to our economies and way of life, underscoring its role in both energy production and industrial processes. Section 4. The price of coal. Coal may seem like a cheap energy source at first glance. However, its true cost goes far beyond the initial price tag. Extracting coal from the ground is an expensive and labor-intensive process. Miners require specialized equipment, comprehensive safety gear, and extensive training. The deeper the coal seam, the more costly and dangerous it is to mine. Transporting coal from the mine to power plants or factories adds another layer of expense. Trucks, trains, and ships are all used to move vast quantities of coal across great distances. The further the coal needs to travel, the higher the transportation costs become. Then there are the significant environmental costs to consider. Coal mining can severely damage landscapes and pollute vital water sources. Burning coal releases harmful pollutants and greenhouse gases into the air. These pollutants contribute to respiratory problems, heart disease, and other serious health issues. Addressing these health and environmental problems adds significantly to the overall cost of using coal as an energy source. Section 5. Balancing the scales, coal's future. Coal has fueled our world for centuries. Its abundance and affordability have made it a reliable energy source. However, we are becoming increasingly aware of the price we pay for using coal. Air pollution, climate change, and health problems are serious consequences. Finding a balance between the benefits and drawbacks of coal is crucial. This involves reducing our reliance on coal and investing in cleaner energy sources. Renewable energy technologies like solar and wind power offer sustainable alternatives. The future of coal is uncertain, but one thing is clear: we must transition towards a cleaner energy future to protect our planet and our health.